Come on, here we go, Robert. We gotta go. We gotta hurry. Come on, go. Do it. Do it now. Come on, go faster. Oh no, here we go. Oh, I don't know, Robert. Are we gonna make it? Are we gonna do this together? Huh? Do I need to go around you? Here we go. Let me see. The slow lane. It is wide open. I will go for it. Here we go. I'm going. Oh no, Robert. How fast are we going? Oh, here he is right now. Oh no. Is this 40 F-150 gonna pull out? It did. Why would it do it? Oh no, it wasn't even a Ford. It was a Dodge. Oh, here we go. We need to get over. Robert, do it. Come on, go. Do it. Go faster. Oh, no turning signal. Oh, this is gonna cost you, Robert. Here we go. Come on. I'm getting closer. I'm pulling up beside you right now. Here he is. There he goes. What are you doing? Are you going to smile? No. Are you paying attention? No. Oh, here we go. Goodbye, Robert. I gotta get to work. Here we go. We gotta do it.